Have you ever struggled to lose weight quickly? Are you searching for a diet plan that actually delivers results? If you found yourself stuck or frustrated with slow progress, then you're not alone. Imagine shedding up to 10 kilograms in just 2 weeks. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's possible. Stay tuned as we dive into the Intermittent Fasting Diet Plan, a simple yet powerful approach to fat loss that is changing lives all over the world. Let's unlock the secrets together, right here, right now. Welcome back. If you're tuning in today, you're on the brink of discovering a game changer in the world of weight loss. I'm here to talk about intermittent fasting, a method that has taken the health community by storm due to its remarkable results. Intermittent fasting isn't just a diet. It's a lifestyle approach that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. It's not about changing what you eat, but rather when you eat, which can significantly impact your body's ability to shed weight. From celebrities to fitness gurus, people everywhere are praising its benefits, not only for weight loss, but for improved metabolic health, increased energy, and enhanced mental clarity. So why is it so effective? Let's dive deeper into how intermittent fasting works, how it can help you lose up to 10 kilograms in just 2 weeks, and how to implement it safely and effectively. Stick around as we break it down and provide you with a step-by-step guide to get started. This could be the turning point in your weight loss journey, so don't go anywhere. Intermittent fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It offers various methods to fit different lifestyles and goals. Today, we'll explore 2 of the most popular methods, the 16-8 method and the 5.2 method. Let's see how each can help you reach your weight loss goals efficiently. This approach involves fasting for 16 hours each day and eating all your meals within an 8-hour window. For most people, this means skipping breakfast and eating from noon to 8 p.m. It's simple and incredibly effective for those who prefer not to eat breakfast or those who like the idea of late breakfasts. Many find this method sustainable because it doesn't require counting calories, just watching the clock. It aligns with your body's natural fasting rhythm, enhancing your ability to burn fat during the fasting window. When practicing the 16-8 method of intermittent fasting, where you eat during an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours, it's important to focus on nutritious, balanced meals to maximize health benefits and sustain energy levels. Here's a list of food items that are ideal for consumption during your eating window. Lean proteins like chicken breast, turkey, lean beef, fish like salmon, tuna, and trout, tofu, and legumes. These help build and repair tissues and keep you feeling full. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, whole wheat, oats, and barley. These provide essential fibers and keep your energy levels steady. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. These fats are vital for brain health and help keep hunger at bay. Vegetables like a wide variety, including leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes. They are high in nutrients and fiber, which are essential for proper body function and digestion. Fruits like berries, apples, oranges, bananas, and pears. These offer natural sugars and fibers, making them a healthy choice for a sweet craving. Dairy or dairy alternatives like Greek yogurt, cheese, and milk, or plant-based alternatives like almond milk, coconut yogurt, which provide calcium and protein. Eggs are a great source of protein and other essential nutrients. They can be cooked in various ways to keep your meals interesting. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas, as they are an excellent sources of protein and fiber. These items can be mixed and matched to create satisfying, healthy meals that support your fasting strategy and overall health goals. It's important to ensure that each meal is balanced and includes a variety of food groups to make the most of your eating window. During the non-eating window in the 16-8 intermittent fasting method, it's important to focus on fluids that help keep you hydrated without breaking your fast. Here are a few options that you can consume safely during your fasting hours. Plain water is the best choice to stay hydrated. You can have it still or sparkling. Black tea and herbal teas, without sweeteners, such as peppermint, chamomile, or hibiscus, are great options. Green tea and black tea are also acceptable, as long as they're consumed plain. Black coffee is allowed during the fasting window. However, adding sugar, milk, or cream would break the fast. You can sip on bone broth during fasting periods as it is low in calories and provides minerals and electrolytes, although it does contain some protein. You can add a small amount of apple cider vinegar to water. It's almost calorie-free and can help manage hunger. Electrolyte water or supplements. If you're fasting for longer periods or are very active, adding electrolytes to your water without sugars or calories can help maintain electrolyte balance. It's important to avoid any beverages that contain calories, such as soft drinks, fruit juices, or any drinks with sugars or sweeteners, as they will break the fast. Consuming any solid food is also not permitted during the fasting window to ensure the effectiveness of the fasting process. Now, the 5-2 method. This involves eating normally for 5 days of the week while restricting your calorie intake to about 500-600 calories for the other 2 days, which should be non-consecutive. This method is great for those who find daily fasting daunting and prefer less frequent but more structured restrictions. Here's a breakdown of what to eat and what to avoid on those fasting days. What to eat on fasting days. Focus on foods that are low in calories but high in nutrients and fiber to help you feel full and satisfied. Opt for a variety of colorful vegetables. Leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers, and bell peppers are all excellent choices due to their high fiber content and low calories. Include lean proteins such as chicken breast, turkey, fish like cod or tilapia, eggs, and tofu. These help maintain muscle mass and keep you feeling full. Broth-based soups that are loaded with vegetables can be very filling and low in calories. Large salads with a base of greens like spinach or kale, a moderate amount of protein, and a light dressing can be both satisfying and low-calorie. Small portions of whole grains like bulgur wheat, quinoa, or whole grain couscous are good options as they are high in fiber. Berries, apples, and other fruits low in calories but high in fiber are good for a snack. What to avoid on fasting days. On fasting days, it's important to avoid high-calorie and high-fat foods, which can quickly consume your calorie limit. 1. Fatty meats. Avoid cuts of meat that are high in fat as they are also high in calories. 2. Sugary foods. Sweets, candies, and sugary desserts should be avoided as they provide little satiety and are calorie-dense. 3. High-fat dairy products. Full-fat milk, cheese, and yogurt can be high in calories. Opt for low-fat or fat-free versions instead. 4. Nuts and seeds. While healthy, they are very high in calories, so they should be consumed cautiously or avoided on fasting days. 5. Processed foods. These are typically high in sugar and fats. Ready meals, snacks, and fast food can quickly exceed your calorie limit. 6. Alcoholic and caloric beverages. Alcohol, sodas, and fruit juices can be high in calories and provide no real nutritional benefit on fasting days. It's essential to plan your meals on fasting days carefully to ensure you stay within the calorie limit while still getting the nutrients your body needs. Drink plenty of water and calorie-free drinks like herbal teas to stay hydrated and help manage hunger. Though it requires calorie counting on fasting days, the flexibility to choose which days you fast and the freedom to eat normally on other days make it appealing for many. It's been shown to not only help reduce weight, but also improve blood sugar levels. Whether you choose the 16-8 method for its daily routine or the 5.2 method for its flexible scheduling, both can lead you to significant weight loss and health improvements. Now to our weight loss plan. Losing 10 kilograms in 2 weeks is an ambitious goal and may not be safe or sustainable for everyone. However, if you are considering a rapid weight loss approach like this under the guidance of a healthcare provider, here are some key strategies and tips for following an intermittent fasting (IF) diet plan effectively. Choose the right plan. Select an intermittent fasting method that fits well with your lifestyle, whether it's the 16-8 method, 5.2 method, or another IF approach. Consistency is key. Stick to the same eating and fasting windows daily to help your body adjust to the new schedule. Nutrient-dense foods. During your eating windows, choose whole, unprocessed foods such as lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Balance your meals. Ensure each meal has a good mix of macronutrients, proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and micronutrients to fuel your body and reduce hunger during fasting periods. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated, as dehydration can often be mistaken for hunger. Calorie-free beverages. Utilize unsweetened teas like black tea or green tea, broth and black coffee to help manage appetite without adding calories. Strategic exercise. Engage in light to moderate exercise such as walking, yoga, or light jogging. Avoid intensive training unless you are already accustomed to it, as extreme exercise can be too taxing during calorie restriction. Try to schedule exercise during your eating windows or right before the last meal to maintain energy levels. Manage hunger and energy levels. Ensure your meals are rich in fiber and protein, which are essential for fullness and satiety. Break your fasts with small, nutrient-rich foods to avoid overwhelming your digestive system. Monitor your progress and health. Weigh yourself at regular intervals under the same conditions to monitor your progress. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel. If you experience adverse effects like dizziness, excessive fatigue, or other health concerns, reconsider your approach and consult a healthcare professional. Mindful eating. Be mindful when you eat. Focus on your meals and eat slowly to increase satiety and digestion efficiency. Support system. Community or buddy system. Having support from a community doing IF or a buddy can help you stay motivated and accountable. Adjust based on feedback. Be flexible. If you find certain aspects of your IF approach are not working, be ready to adjust your plan based on your body's feedback. Sleep and stress management. Ensure you get enough sleep each night, as lack of sleep can hinder weight loss and make fasting more difficult. High stress can affect your ability to lose weight effectively and could lead to overeating during eating windows. Find ways to manage stress through meditation, breathing exercises, or other relaxation techniques. Intermittent fasting, IF, offers a flexible approach to weight loss that can be adapted to suit different lifestyles and preferences. By alternating between periods of eating and fasting, IF can help enhance fat burning and improve metabolic health. However, achieving a weight loss goal of 10 kilograms in just 2 weeks is extremely ambitious and may not be suitable or safe for everyone. It is crucial to focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods during your eating windows, staying hydrated, engaging in moderate exercise, and managing hunger and energy levels effectively. Additionally, maintaining a regular sleep schedule and managing stress are vital components that can influence your success on this diet. Before embarking on an intermittent fasting plan, especially one aimed at rapid weight loss, consult with a healthcare provider to ensure it is appropriate for your health needs and goals. If you decide to proceed, remember to listen to your body's signals and be prepared to adjust your plan as needed. Stay motivated by tracking your progress and consider joining a community or finding a fasting buddy to support you on this journey. Share your experiences and progress in the comments below or on our social media platforms. Let's embark on this transformative journey together.